Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making the fastest changes possible. Press the hardware volume down until the device stops. Then open Settings and go straight to Sound to see separate sliders for media, ringtone, and alarms. Once there, lower each slider to the minimum you need. Do not skip the media slider because apps use that. Also turn on Do Not Disturb or Silence to suppress notifications immediately. This combination cuts most sources now, while you prepare deeper reductions in the next steps. Once the system sliders are low, open any app that still sounds loud and lower its internal player volume. Apps often override system defaults. Then go to Accessibility or Sound Enhancements and enable features like Reduce Loud Sounds, a built-in volume limiter, or adjust the equalizer to cut highs and mids. If you use Bluetooth, connect and set the codec or lower the Bluetooth output level in device settings. This reduces transmitted volume. Make sure to test with short audio clips between each change so you don't overshoot. You finish by testing. Play brief clips and trigger notifications while adjusting sliders in small increments to find the safe low level you want. Then install or configure a reputable volume limiter or automation app to lock the max output, and create quick shortcuts or widgets for instant control. If you still can't lower sound, check for stuck volume buttons, a case pressing controls, or an app with persistent audio focus. Uninstall or force stop that app. If hardware seems faulty, consider a repair or professional inspection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.